When it comes to customization and flexibility, how do Teamgate and Claritysoft CRM compare? If you're considering one of these for your business, you'll want to stick around because while both offer customization, they take very different approaches. And by the end, I'll show you a better alternative that offers even more flexibility than both of them. First off, Teamgate is built for simplicity. It's great if you want a CRM that works out of the box with minimal setup. The UI is clean and the learning curve isn't steep. But the downside? Customization is limited. You can tweak pipelines and fields, but if you need advanced automation, deep integrations, or custom workflows, you might hit a wall. On the other hand, Claritysoft CRM is more feature-rich, offering deeper customization with modules, templates, and reports. It even allows on-premise deployment, which Teamgate doesn't. However, Claritysoft's UI feels outdated, and while it's customizable, the settings can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have a dedicated CRM expert on your team. Next thing, integrations. Teamgate works well with Google Workspace, Slack, and Zapier, making it easy to connect with other tools. But it lacks direct integrations with major accounting and marketing platforms, meaning you'll rely on Zapier or third-party workarounds. Claritysoft, on the other hand, has better native integrations, including QuickBooks and Outlook, but doesn't play as nicely with modern SaaS tools like Slack or Trello. The fourth thing, scalability. If you're a small team, both CRMs can work well. But if you're scaling fast, Claritysoft gives more room to grow with its modular add-ons. Teamgate, while user-friendly, feels more suited for small to mid-sized businesses that don't require extensive customization as they grow. Pricing is another factor. Teamgate is generally more affordable, making it attractive for startups and small businesses. Claritysoft, however, charges per module, so costs can add up quickly, especially if you need advanced features. Neither is crazy expensive, but Claritysoft feels more like an enterprise option, while Teamgate leans toward affordability at the expense of deeper functionality. Bottom line, if you need something simple, intuitive, and easy to use, Teamgate is solid. If you need more control and flexibility, Claritysoft might be the better choice. But at the cost of complexity and a higher price tag, Now, while both are decent, I found a better CRM that offers even more customization, flexibility, and ease of use, without the downsides of either. If you want to try it out, use the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.